Welcome to the TopPick Lab. The best wall-mounted folding chair is probably one of the most versatile and space-saving furniture solutions available today, especially for those living in smaller apartments, RVs, or even just looking to optimize their home organization. Imagine a chair that discreetly folds away when not in use, freeing up valuable floor space, yet is readily available whenever you need an extra seat for guests or a convenient spot to rest. This innovative design merges functionality with modern aesthetics, offering a practical answer to the eternal challenge of maximizing living areas without compromising on comfort or style. Number 5. Serena Teak Wood Shower Bench Seat. Experience safety and comfort in your shower with this ADA-compliant bench. It's designed to support up to 350 pounds when properly installed. Crafted from the finest grade of natural teak wood, this bench offers superior strength and quality. Enjoy a luxurious feel that's built to last. The beautifully finished teak wood is clear-coated for a premium, smooth surface. This finish not only enhances its elegance but also provides extra protection for long-term durability. Perfect for those with limited mobility, it allows you to enjoy your shower or spa with ease. The auto spring fold design means it conveniently folds up when not in use. When open, it measures 18 wide, 15 high, and 15 deep. When folded, it's only 3 deep, making it a space-saving solution for any bathroom. Please note that due to the natural character of wood, slight variations in color may occur. This ensures each piece is uniquely beautiful. What we like? This option is ADA compliant and built with premium grade A teak wood for superior quality and durability. It features an auto spring fold design, making it incredibly convenient. If you prioritize safety and ease of use, especially for individuals with limited mobility, this is an excellent choice for your home shower or spa. What people say. The chair is very sturdy and can hold a good amount of weight. It folds up very compactly, making it easy to store when not in use. The installation was straightforward, and it feels secure on the wall. Number 4. Teak Folding Shower Seat Wall Mounted. Introducing our wall-mounted teak shower seat, crafted for comfort and durability. It's designed to provide a secure and comfortable seating option in your shower space. Made with high-strength stainless steel and waterproof teak, it supports up to 400 pounds. The ergonomic design ensures maximum comfort for extended periods. Ideal for adults, pregnant women, children, and the elderly, it offers a safe and convenient solution for those who find standing difficult. This foldable seat installs easily and folds away to just 2 inches from the wall, saving precious space. Its thoughtful anti-pinch design adds an extra layer of safety. The surface is treated for moisture resistance, making it easy to clean and maintain. Detailed instructions are included for a straightforward installation process. Enjoy peace of mind with our reliable after-sale service, including a 90-day return policy. We're here to ensure your satisfaction. What we like? Boasting a robust 440 pounds weight capacity and an ergonomic design, this seat offers enhanced comfort and stability. Its thoughtful anti-pinch feature ensures safety during folding. If you need a shower seat that can support heavier loads and provides a comfortable, secure experience for a wide range of users, including pregnant women and the elderly, this is the one to consider. What people say. It's solid, good-looking and works. Beautiful teak wood, folds out of the way. Perfect in our newly remodeled shower. Did our remodel over a year ago and the bench still looks as new as the day we installed it. It cleans well, functions well, and still holding up great. Number 3. 20-inch folding teak shower bench. Experience peace of mind with a maximum safe load of 400 pounds. Its silent folding and shock-absorbing structure have been rigorously tested for durability, ensuring your safety during every use. Crafted from natural, unstained solid teak wood, this shower seat showcases inherent beauty with a glossy finish. Its natural material provides a warm and inviting aesthetic to your bathroom. This wall-mounted seat conveniently folds up and down, allowing you to save space when not in use. It extends only 2 inches from the wall when folded, maintaining a sleek profile. Designed with drainage to prevent humidity buildup, it offers comfortable support. Regular maintenance, like wiping dry and applying oil, will enhance its appearance and longevity. When installed correctly, this bench meets ADA compliance, making it suitable for individuals with disabilities. It requires mounting on a solid surface for optimal safety. For maximum safety and performance, we recommend professional installation directly into wall studs or concrete. All necessary components for a standard installation are included. What we like. This model supports up to 400 pounds and is crafted from beautiful, natural unstained teak wood with a smart drainage design to prevent humidity. It's also ADA compliant when installed correctly. If you appreciate the natural beauty of teak, require a good weight capacity, and want to minimize moisture issues in your shower, this seat is a fantastic option. What people say. The finish on the seat is just as good as displayed on Amazon. It is also very sturdy. There is not the least of a feeling of giving in upon sitting down. In addition to sitting for part of the shower, I can also place my foot on the seat while drying off with a towel. After use, it easily folds away. Works great, very sturdy, and folds up when not needed. This appears to be actual teak and not hardwood with a lacquer. The fit was slightly smaller than original in our RV, but it works great, and a few months and it still looks as new. Number 2. Teak Folding Shower Seat Wall Mounted. Introducing our wall-mounted teak shower seat, designed to bring convenience and safety to your daily routine. It provides a secure place to sit, reducing strain during bathing and making routines more effortless. This seat offers stable support for pregnant women, individuals with limited mobility, and children. It promotes independence and comfort for all users, including the elderly and those with physical disabilities. Crafted from waterproof, sustainable teak in a high-strength 304 stainless steel frame, this seat is built to last. Its smooth, moisture-proof, and wear-resistant surface ensures durability and comfort. The ergonomic design ensures maximum comfort, while its space-saving feature allows it to fold neatly against the wall. This makes it ideal for various spaces, from shower rooms to balconies. Enjoy peace of mind with its thoughtful anti-pinch design, ensuring safety when folding. Installation is straightforward with detailed instructions and included hardware, allowing for direct mounting. Beyond the shower, it serves as a convenient shoe stool or vanity stool. Experience a more independent and effortless daily life with this versatile and stylish addition to your home. What we like. Featuring a strong 304 stainless steel frame and waterproof teak, this seat offers both durability and convenience. It has a high weight capacity and a clever anti-pinch design for added safety. If you're looking for a reliable and safe shower seat that's easy to maintain and provides excellent support for various family members, this is a solid pick. What people say. Easy installation. They were very straightforward to install. The included fixing template made marking the holes simple, and the process was quick. These seats feel incredibly sturdy. The stainless steel frame is heavy-duty, and once mounted properly into studs, they feel very safe and secure. I love how they fold up almost flush to the wall, within 2 inches, when not in use, which is perfect for keeping the shower area open. Number 1. DWVO Folding Shower Seat. Experience exceptional stability with our shower seat, crafted from high-strength stainless steel and durable poly lumber. It reliably supports up to 350 pounds, offering peace of mind for extended periods of standing or washing. This seat is designed for ultimate space saving. It folds down to a mere 2.1 inches, keeping your bathroom spacious and uncluttered when not in use. Installation is a breeze as the seat comes pre-assembled. Just mount it on your wall using our clear instructions and positioning paper. Enjoy added safety with its anti-pinch design, folding neatly within 2 inches of the wall. This thoughtful feature ensures a secure and worry-free experience. Perfect for the elderly and anyone needing extra support in the shower. Its versatile design also makes it a great addition to entryways, living rooms, or dressing areas as a convenient stool. What we like. Constructed with durable poly wood and a high-strength stainless steel frame, this seat offers excellent stability and a remarkable space-saving design, folding to just 2.1 inches thick. It also includes a safe anti-pinch feature. If you have a smaller bathroom or simply want to maximize your space while ensuring safety and stability, this is an ideal solution. What people say. Easy install in my shower, use every time I shower due to difficulty bending, put foot up on it to wash, been a great help and much nicer than the shower chairs, easy fold up when not needed, send very steady, been using for about 9 months now with no issues, I'm 6, at 210 pounds and all good. It came in a few days prior to surgery. The template it came with was handy. I used a level and mounted it 17 above the shower floor. It's been 2 weeks now and no issues. We'll see how it holds up. So far so good. By the way, I'm 5 feet 10 inches and 250 pounds. Very solid construction. The boards are not real wood, that could be a good thing. It looks very nice. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.